Hello viewers, and for you today I have two different packages from the same seller for a total of 7 coins, 4 in one and 3 in the other. These are going to be Indian Princely State coins, and in total I paid $19 even for both. One was $4.80 and one was $5.10 plus $3.95 shipping and handling on both. So let's open it up and see what we've got here. We even have a customs declaration page on these. That's kind of interesting. These came from India, so I guess they have to have customs declaration pages when they ship them. Oh, actually, I don't need the cutter. It's like they just tear open. Oh, that's very nice. Look at the way those are packaged. Really nice. In a little bag. I don't want to ruin the little bag by tearing the tape off. Oh, those are very nice. One is pink and one is red. Okay. Well, we have a triple bag here. A bag within a bag within a bag. Sheesh. Oh, they're not getting loose in transit. Oh, these are very nice looking. Can't 100% tell, but they look like they are authentic. Definitely looks the way it should. Okay, there we go. These are the coins before being cleaned. And we'll show the other side. Okay, here's all the coins after they've been cleaned up and put into coin flips. And I'll just go through them here and hopefully not horribly mispronounce these kingdoms' names. This is a quarter Anna from 1917 from Gwalior. I'll show you the back. This is also a quarter Anna from 1943 from the princely state of Jodhpur. I'll show you the back. And there's the back. This is another quarter Anna from 1939, also from Jodhpur. I'll show you the back side of that as well. This is a 2 pi coin from 1911 and 1912 from Hyderabad. And I'll show you the reverse. This one is fairly corroded, unfortunately. Okay, these next two coins are both from the Indian princely state of Kutch, and they are both 1 Trambio coins, and one's from 1909 and one's from 1920. I'll show you the reverse. Really very nice looking coins. Okay, and the final coin is from the Indian princely state of Junagadh, and this is a 1 Dokdo coin from 1906/1907, and I'll show you the reverse of that. So I'll go over the different coins in this collection, and once again we have a coin that's a quarter Anna from 1917 from the Indian princely state of Gwalior, and the next one over there is a quarter Anna from 1943 from Jodhpur, and another Indian princely state Jodhpur coin. It's a quarter Anna also from 1939. And the final one there is from the Indian princely state of Hyderabad, and it is a 2 pi from 1912 and 1911. 1912. On the bottom row there we have the next two coins are from the Indian princely state of Kutch, and they're both 1 Trambio coins, one from 1909 and one from 1920. And the final coin that we have there is from the Indian princely state of Junagadh, and it is a Dokdo coin from 1906-1907. So I really like this coin set that I purchased here. I think it has a lot of nice, good cross-section of Indian princely state coins. And I purchased this for $19. And the value of all the coins when totaled up is $51. So at the end here I'll put that list of coins. But overall I think that's a pretty good investment. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe. And thank you for watching.